So now, they ask us the same thing. Find the perimeter of AOB. Well, not the same thing. Find the perimeter of AOB. 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 They want us to find the perimeter of AOB. They want us to find the area of AOB, which is the minor sector. They also want us to find the area and circumference of the whole. Let's find the area and circumference of the whole first. So the area is going to be 22/7 multiplied by 8 squared. 8 centimeter. 8 squared. Let's just remove this for now because I don't want you to get confused. The formula is radius square. Okay? So this right here is going to be equal to, I'm going to do the calculation off-site. So this is going to be equal to 201.14 centimeters squared. Alright? And the circumference is going to be equal to 2 times 22/7 times 8. I think that's 50.28 centimeters. So we found the area and circumference of the whole thing here. Remember, the radius is 8. The radius is given, it's 8. This right here was the radius of our circle. Even though the entire circle wasn't given, this right here was the radius. If we were to draw the circle, come all the way around, we'd see that, well, it's not drawn to scale, of course, but this is always the center of a circle. So from the center of a circle to the edge of a circle is the radius. From the center of a circle to the edge of a circle, my bad, I didn't go through that explicitly in this example. But from this is always the center of a circle to the edge, it's the radius. That's how we got the circumference to be 2 pi r. R, the length of the radius, is 7. That's why we have 7 here. R, 7, because the length of the radius is 7. Similarly to here, area, circumference. Area is going to be 22/7 times 8, which is the radius from the center to the edge of a circle. To the edge of a circle. It's the same thing, even though one is completely drawn and one is not drawn completely. Okay? Good. So that's why we have 8 here as our radius. Cool? And the formula for circumference is the same as this. However, we change the 7 to an 8. Cool? If you have any questions, these things are tedious. These things are really tedious. So it's okay if you don't have it right away. We have more examples coming up. Okay? Good. So now we found the area and the circumference. Now let us find the area of the AOB, which is the area of a slice of pizza. I hope you see right here that this is a right angle triangle, because this right here is a box. See that little L thingy? Means it's a right angle triangle. So the angle right here is 90. That's how you use your brain and think. You see a box right here. No number was given, but you see a box right here. You know that it's a right angle. And if it's a right angle, what is the size of the angle? 90. So now we can find the area of our minor sector, or AOB. So the area of our minor sector is going to be 90 degrees over 360 degrees multiplied by the area, which is 201.14 centimeters squared. This is going to be 1/4 times 2, and the result will be 50 something. 50 50.28 centimeters squared. Alright, this is the area. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Alright, so this is 2 right here. Area of the arc, no, the area of the minor sector. Area of the minor sector is going to be the angle. The angle is a square here, so it means the right angle 90 degrees. 90 degrees over 360 multiplied by the area. Alright, so when we do this simplification, we get this. Multiplied by 201, we get this. The result is that. Alright, now we know that this is 8 centimeters because it tends from the center to the edge of the circle, which is the radius. Radius here, radius here. So this is 8 and this is 8. To find the perimeter of AOB, we need to find this length. We need to find this length right here. They didn't ask us to find this length. However, to get the perimeter of this slice of pizza right here, we need this. So it's going to be 90 over 360 multiplied by the circumference, because we want to know what fraction of a circumference this is. 90 degrees multiplied by 50.28 centimeters implies that quarter multiplied by 50.28 centimeters. Cool. Divide that 50 by 4 equal. So the length is going to be equal to 12.57 centimeters. So this length right here is equal to 12.57 centimeters. Now the perimeter is going to be this plus 8 plus 8, which is going to be what? 16 plus this is 28 plus 5, 7 centimeters. Alright, cool, done. Take a deep breath, take a deep breath. That was a lot. That was a lot. And as a math professional, I can tell you that that was a lot. So it's okay if you don't get it. I can't emphasize that enough. Just rewatch the videos. Follow the rules. It might be a bit untidy. That's my fault. But follow the rules. Follow the rules. This is 1. So we did it backwards. We did 3 first, which is the 3. We did it first. Then we did 2, which is here. Then we did 1. Then we did 1 here. It's challenging, but you can get it. Rewatch the videos. We have more examples coming. This is a hard one. Don't beat yourself up. Alright, we have some more examples coming, and if you need more and more and more, let us know. We'll deliver more and more and more. We are here to help. We are here to help. That's J2T. Stay tuned.